Hello, I was vlogging here and I am here in the Lola's house. So, what I'm going to do here, by the way, they have some birthday, uh, my relatives, side of my papa's relatives. So, yeah, they're provided some food, delicious food, and dessert, cake, and adding some Filipino food dishes, which means it's very delicious. So that's why my tummy is very big. As you can see, it's already pregnant, 3 months old. So yeah, it's full of very yummy, delicious food. So right now I'm going to relax for a couple of hours and maybe 1 hour, and it will be done to relax, so I will going head back in the house and sleep. And tomorrow again is Sunday, so I'm going to take a vlog this coming tomorrow early in the morning. It depends to the plan. It will be going early in the church or maybe second mass or third mass, so it depends with my mom going to say. And yeah, so I'm going to make some vlog that too, so yeah, it will be, like very documentary thing. Okay, bye bye.